Hi, welcome to RAR Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on parabolas and their graphs. In this video, what I'm specifically looking at is if I have an equation of a parabola, how do I find the vertical and horizontal intercepts? If I start with those intercepts, I have 3 of the 4 or 5 points that will help me graph the parabola. Okay, the vertical intercept is where it crosses the vertical axis, or in this case the H, traditionally the y-axis, the one that goes vertically. To find the vertical intercept, you set x equal to 0. So h of 0 equals 4 times 0 squared minus 40 times 0 plus 96, which is 96. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, couldn't I have just done 0, 96 without showing any other work? Honestly, I kind of agree. This one is a pretty easy one because of 0, 0, vertical intercept, but sometimes it's nice to see the steps. To get the horizontal intercepts, that's where it crosses the x-axis, which means we need to find out when 4x squared minus 40x plus 96 equals 0. Well, to do this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide out that extra 4, because right now that extra 4 is going to get into the way. So if I divide both sides by 4, well, it's not going to get into the way. It's going to make factoring harder. X squared minus 10x plus 24 equals 0. If you can ever get the a of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, everything else about factoring becomes a lot simpler. Now, this is a problem. It's not hard to factor, but it's tricky to factor because we are looking for a pair of numbers that multiply to 24 and add up to 10. Well, as we go through the factor pairs and we start with -1 and -24, that doesn't work. If you are not managing your negatives well, this -2 minus 12 is going to become your final answer because -12 plus 2 is -10. The problem is we need to add, not subtract. We need the signs to be the same. So that one doesn't work. Then we have -3 times -8, -4 times -6. There we go. Those two numbers multiply to a positive 24 and add up to a -10. So we have x minus 4 times x minus 6 equals 0 when x is 4 or 6. To get these to be ordered pairs on a graph, what we really need to do is we need to write them as ordered pairs. So 4, 0, 6, 0. These become our horizontal intercepts. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!